Hello everyone, today I'm going to talk about the difference between attachment and overlay settings in your Revit links. So if I go now to my manage links, you can see that in this project I have my project 20 and project 21 linked in here. If I go now to my projects, you can see that in project 21 I have another link which is called project 30, and the same link is in my project 20. If we go in here, you can see it is project 30. The only difference between these two projects, project 20 and project 21, is in the reference type. As you can see in project 20, it is set to overlay, and in project 21, it is set to attachment. The difference between these is that if it's set to attachment, this project 30 will show as a nested link inside of my master file. So if I go back now here to my manage links, you can see in my project 20 it is set to overlay, so it will not show. But in my project 21 it is set to attachment, so it will show this nested link which is called project 30. So if you go now to my 3D view, you can see this is my project 20, and these three walls which are in here, these are from this project 30, which are linked inside of this link. And because in project 20 it is set to overlay, you cannot see them. But if I select this project 21, you can see these three walls, and you can actually tap select them. And you can see if I tap select, I can select the link which is nested inside of this link. And because it is set to attachment, it is carried forward with this master link, this project 21, into my host model. So I can see this project 30 link as well. So this is the difference between overlay and attachment, that if you have your link, which is then carried forward as a nested link set to overlay, it will not show in your host. And if it's set to attachment, it will show in your host.